So over the last few months, I've tested every AI short form video editor on the market, and nothing comes close to this AI tool. Take a look at these viral shorts. The problem with creating shorts like these is that it can take you hours of editing. You have to manually add the captions, you have to time it perfectly, and you also have to create the animations to go with it. And then on top of that, you have to repeat this dozens of times. Believe me, I've spent countless nights on CapCut just to end up with amateur results. And let's be honest, who has 3 to 4 hours just to spend on editing a 30-second clip? So in today's video, I'll show you how to create this exact same style of captions using Submagic AI. I've personally seen creators go from hundreds to millions of views in just 30 days using this method. And the crazy part? It took them less than 60 seconds to edit their videos. Submagic AI allows this by automating the time-consuming parts. All you do is you just upload your video and boom, your video is completely edited with captions, animations, music, and you don't have to spend any of your time sitting through edits. And also guys, I will reveal my personal settings for Submagic AI that gives me the best results possible. So if you want to try out Submagic AI for yourself, then click on the first link in the description below. Now, let's jump over to the PC. So guys, once you head over to Submagic, you're basically gonna have to create an account, and once you have your account, you're gonna come over here. So you're gonna head over to generate captions because I want to create short form content and I'm not necessarily looking to clip any podcasts or long form videos. I wanna make some shorts. So then you're gonna come over here and it's gonna ask you to upload your video. So you just click on that. So there I've selected my video now, and we are going to see how it's going to generate this specific video. So you basically just go over here, you can select your language. I'm gonna leave it on English, and then if there is multiple speakers, you just have to check this box. That basically means if you are speaking to someone else in the video. Then you're gonna go over here to generate captions, and then it's gonna start processing your video. It's gonna go through everything, it's gonna see if there are any pauses, if there's anything that it maybe needs to delete, and it's basically going to be checking throughout the entire video just so that it can see where it can add in captions and basically make the video look as cool as possible. So now guys, it comes over here and now you can select the theme for your captions. So as you can see, there's a couple of ones here that are pretty famous. Here's the one from Alex Mosey. Here's a couple here. If you go a little bit lower, you can even see Mr. Beast's one. So you can actually select any one that you want, the style that you are specifically going for. So for this one, I happen to like Alex Mosey's content, so I'm gonna select this one. So that is Alex Mosey's style. You can also select the color that you're going for. You can go for the style, you can go for the position. I like his normal color scheme, which is usually green, yellow, and red. So I'm gonna stick with that. Then if you see here on top, it says your captions. This is actually where you can go and you can change anything that you want to. So I like the fact that with Submagic, everything is almost 100% accurate. So here you can see the AI captions accuracy is 99.88%. So that is pretty good. That means if they made a mistake, it would be something where they maybe missed a comma or they missed a full stop, but it wouldn't be any of the words. Here you can see this is all the captions that is going through, and basically guys, I like this, so we're gonna leave it at that. Then we're gonna go to B-roll. Now the cool thing about Submagic is that you can do a lot of different things. You can add B-roll, you can also add music, and I'm gonna show you guys in a few seconds how to actually do that. But the nice thing is you can fully select where you want to. So all you have to do is go over to the B-roll section, then here's Magic Zoom. So I'm gonna tick Magic Zoom, which means that it's gonna zoom in while I'm speaking, and that's just another way of keeping the viewers engaged with the content. Then we're gonna click onto Magic B-roll as well because I actually want some B-roll in this video. I just think it's gonna add like a nice little element to it. And then basically guys, we're gonna make sure that everything is perfectly right. I can see that it is. Then we go over here just to make sure that everything's fine. So when you go over to the boost section, this is basically where you can tick some other stuff. So it's basically if you are going to be posting this on your socials, do you need a hook? Do you want hashtag suggestions? If you want all of that stuff, then you can get it here, but that is under the upgraded plan. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I just specifically want music. So when you go to music, now you go here, there you can see the volume icon at the bottom. So I usually like it around 25%. Let's leave it at there. There we go, 25%. And then guys, you're gonna add some music. So here you can see there's a whole lot of different things here. You can just basically click on it and then you are able to listen to the music as well. So there, as you can see guys, there you can hear the music, and kind of like this. These are selections that does go extremely well with shorts content. So you can go through classic, you can go through hype music, inspiring. If you maybe do motivational content, then there's motivational songs here as well, or there's just podcast ones where it's kind of like just a long theme throughout the music that you're gonna hear from the beginning till the end. But it's totally up to you guys. For this one, I'm gonna stick with Sahara Sands because I really think that's gonna look so cool on this video. Then you just click on apply. Then guys, it's actually going to put that onto the video. And then guys, once you're done, all you have to do is basically just take a look at your video. And then guys, you can actually see how it is. So I would suggest take a look at the video before you export it so that you can actually see if you like everything with it. And if you don't, then all you can do is just go back to the captions, go back to the style, and you can just change it up to make it the way that you want to. But now guys, we went through all the steps, so I think it's time for us to check out how this video came out. Now, aren't you happy that you just discovered this tool? Honestly guys, Submagic is a game changer, and if you want to test it out for yourself, then go into the first link in the description below and you can test it out. And while you are down there guys, also give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. So there you have it guys, that is Submagic. Now all you have to do is just go to the bottom and you can actually download the video for yourself and it's ready for you to post on your socials. And also guys, if you want to add a couple of things, if you want to change it up in any way, then all you have to do is go over to edit video, and then you can change the time, you can add different kinds of b-roll, you can add your own images, add your own clips, and you can basically do a whole lot with the edit. But the one thing I love about Submagic is the fact that it does everything automatically. So basically it gives you everything that you would want in the video and it makes it look so cool. All of that stuff guys, I did just by clicking a button, and you can do the exact same thing with your content, and I guarantee you guys it's gonna look so cool guys. So guys, that was Submagic. I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. This has been Ty from Zenho Media, and guys, you can catch us on the next video where we're going to be highlighting another incredible tool.